JFS again, and welcome to Fire Alarm System Test 9. In today's system test, we're only doing the detector, but there is a new device on the system, a new sounder, and I would like to show that to you today. I'm going to be using this to test the detector, so let's get on with the test. Spraying a little bit more than usual because I completely missed it on the first second. Perfect. Gonna clear the detector. Got this mounted on 2 screws now. A recent change that I did. And reset. So yeah, put the Banshee XL up now. I had to make a hole in the base, which is unfortunate because I think I said in one of my older system tests that I wanted to put this sounder up in the first place, but because it's not deep bass, the wire looked stupid going behind it because it would kind of look like it was hanging off the wall. But I've sorted that now, so I can actually have it mounted properly, which is good. So yeah, I'm not testing that today because I'm out of time, so I hope you enjoyed this video.